Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rizwana Shaukat from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Welcome to all of you to lecture number 2 of mathematics from third term for class 5. Before starting the lecture, please make sure that all of you have your countdown book 5 with you. Your copy, pen and all needed items must be with you. Our today's topic is about fractions and it is multiplication and division of fractions, and we will cover page number 50, question number 19, page number 56, question number 7. Now please open your books, page number 51, question number 19, and it is solve these multiplications making sure each product is in lowest term. Part A is 2 whole 2 by 5 multiply by 3. Before starting the solution, I want to tell you something about product. End result of multiplication is known as product. Look at the example. 2 multiply by 3. Answer is 6. This 6 is the product of 2 and 3. So whenever we multiply two numbers or more than two numbers, the answer we get is the product of those numbers we have multiplied. Come back to the question again. 2 whole 2 by 5 multiply by 3. We have to multiply a mixed number by a whole number. For the solution, we will convert this mixed number into improper fraction first. And how we will do? Multiply this whole number and this denominator. 2 times 5 is 10 plus numerator 2. 10 plus 2, it is 12 divided by 5, the same denominator. We have converted a mixed number into improper fraction. So what we will get? 12 by 5 multiplied by 3. Now this 3 is a whole number. We can convert this whole number into fraction. 12 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 1. Easily we can do multiplication now. Numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 12 times 3 is 36. 5 times 1 is 5. Now look at this 36 by 5. This fraction is improper fraction and we can change improper fraction into mixed number using division. 5 times 7 is 35. 36 minus 35 we get 1. Our required answer is 7 whole 1 by 5. And this 7 whole 1 by 5 is the product of 2 whole 2 by 5 and 3. Look at the part B now. 4 whole 1 by 2 multiply by 7 by 8. We have to multiply a mixed number and a fraction this time. We will convert this mixed number into improper fraction first. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. We will multiply 9 by 2 by 7 by 8. Now simply multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 9 times 7 is 63. 2 times 8 is 16. This 63 by 16 is improper fraction and we can change improper fraction into mixed number using division. Divide 63 by 16. 16 times 3 is 48. 63 minus 48 we get 15. Our required answer is 3 whole 15 by 16 and this answer is in lowest term. Now look at part D of the same question. 4 whole 1 by 8 multiply by 2 whole 1 by 3 multiply by 4. We have to multiply a mixed number and a whole number. For the solution, we will convert mixed number into improper fraction first. And how we will do? 4 times 8 is 32 plus 1, 33 by 8. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 3, and 4 by 1, whole number in the form of fraction. Now we will solve these two first. So I have a put bracket like this. Now look carefully, this 3 and this 33, both of them are divisible by 3. So we can do cross cancellation here. Divide this 3 by 3, we get 1. Divide this 33 by 3, we get 11. Now multiply this 11 and this 7, this 8 and this 1. What we get? 77 by 8 multiply 4 by 1 as it is. Now this 4 and this 8, both of them are divisible by 4. Divide this 4 by 4, we get 1. Divide this 8 by 4, we get 2. Multiply this 77 and this 1, we get 77. This 2 and this 1, we get 2. This 77 by 2 is improper fraction. We can change this into mixed number using division. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Shift this 7 here. It is 17 now. 2 times 8 is 16. 17 minus 16, we get 1. Our required answer is 38 whole 1 by 2, which is in lowest term. Now open your page number 56 and look at the question number 7. It is divide the following fractions. Part B, it is 15 by 42 divided by 5. We can write this 5 in the form of fraction as 5 by 1. Now before the further solution, I want to tell you something about reciprocals. To find the reciprocals of a fraction, we simply interchange the numerator and denominator. Look at the examples. 1 by 3. We will change the numerator by denominator and denominator by the numerator. When we change, we get the reciprocal 3 by 1. Look at the second example, 4 by 5. Change the numerator with denominator and denominator with numerator. We get the reciprocal 5 by 4. And if we have any mixed number, look at here, 2 whole 2 by 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. We converted it in the form of mixed number first, then take the reciprocal. It would be 3 by 8. Come back to the question again. Now what we will do? We will change division into multiplication and take the reciprocal of 5 by 1, which is 1 by 5. Now simply we can solve this. This 15 and this 5, both of them are divisible by 5. So cross cancellation is possible here. We will divide this 5 by 5 and we will get 1. Divide this 15 by 5 and we get 3. Now multiply this 3 and this 1. We get 3. This 42 and this one, we get 42. This 3 by 42 is not in lowest term because both of them are divisible by 3. So divide this 3 by 3, we get 1. Divide this 42 by 3, we get 14. Our required answer is 1 by 14, which is in lowest term. Look at the part C of same question now. 37 by 25 divided by 1 by 75. For the solution, what we will do, we will change this division into multiplication and take the reciprocal of this. Remember, reciprocal of 1 by 75 is 75 by 1. Change the numerator and denominator. We will get reciprocal. Now we have changed this division into multiplication, and reciprocal of 1 by 75 is 75 by 1. Now look at here, this 25 and this 75, both of them are divisible by 25. Cross cancellation is again possible here. We will divide this 25 by 25 and we will get 1. this 75 by 25 and we will get 3. Now multiply 37 and 3, 1 and 1. What we get? 37 multiplied by 3, we get triple 1, 111. 1 into 1 is 1 and we can write this as 111, our required answer. Now look at the part E of same question. We have to divide this time mixed number by mixed number. 12 whole 3 by 5 divided by 4 whole 3 by 8. We will change into improper fraction first. 12 5s are 60 plus 3. 63 by 5 divided by 4 8s are 32 plus 3. 35 by 8. Now we will change this division into multiplication, and reciprocal of 35 by 8 is 8 by 35. Simply we will multiply here numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. What we get? We get 504 divided by 175. Improper fraction. Division is possible here. We will divide 504 by 175 and what we get? 175 multiplied by 2, it is 350. 504 minus 350, we get 154. And our required answer is 2 whole 154 by 175. But this answer is not in lowest term. We will convert this in lowest term. And how we will do? Look at here. 154 and 175. Both of them are divisible by 7. Divide 154 by 7, we get 22. 175 by 7, we get 25. And answer is 2 whole 22 by 25. Now look at here. Here cross cancellation was possible, but I have not. As a result, my answer was not in lowest term. I have to convert it into the lowest term. And if I choose to do the cancellation here, then my answer will be automatically in lowest term. You can do whatever you find easy. You can do cross cancellation and you can simply multiply. But at the end, you will get the same answer. Now your assignment, students. You have to complete question number 19, part A to F from page 50. You have to complete question number 7, part A to H from page 56. And at the end, thank you to all of you and Allah Hafiz till the next time.